welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, and today you guys are going to go to bed with me. Not literally, but you'll be seeing my nighttime skincare routine. Now I am on vacation and I did forget a few products that I normally use in my nighttime skincare routine, but everything else is pretty much what I do when I am home. And one of the main products that I forgot is my cleansing oil. I like to use a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm, but somehow I forgot both at home. So what I am going to do is just use my cleanser. This is the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser. This is like one of my favorite cleansers. So what I am going to do is put a little bit of this cleanser in my hand. I have it in my hands right now on my skin while it's dry. And then I will rinse it off. And then once I rinse that off, I will go in again with some more and cleanse my face. That's kind of like a two-step routine that I do whenever I forget a cleansing oil or my cleansing balm. So that's pretty much what you guys are going to see me do. Okay, now that I have got majority of the makeup off, I'm going to go in again a second time to pretty much just really cleanse my face. And I apologize if the camera quality is not that great. I'm not actually using my camera. I am using my phone, so I don't know how the quality is. So just want to let you guys know. Cleanse, I am going to go in with this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Daily Peeling Pad. This is a chemical exfoliant. I'm somebody who likes to exfoliate a lot, so I like to use this throughout. This daily peeling pad is a two-step process. So with step number one, that's the chemical exfoliant. You apply this to your face, and then you just let it sit on your skin for about 2 minutes, and then you go in with step number two to basically neutralize everything that you just did. And this is what the peeling pad looks like. So when I use this, I take this all over my face and my neck. Okay, so now that the 2 minutes is up, now I will go in with pad number two. This Ysl All Advance Night Repair Serum. This just was sent to me a few weeks ago to try out. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but this is supposed to be a product that is great with helping slow down visibly aging. So I'll be 36 in a couple of months, so this is a product that is pretty much right up my alley right now. If anything says anti-aging, I want to try it just because I want to look younger than 36 for as long as possible. And I think the regular size of this comes with a dropper, but being that this is a sample size, I have to like pour a little bit in my hand and just press it into my skin. So far I like it. It hasn't irritated my skin at all, and I've always heard good things about this particular serum. So I'm just going to take a little bit, like 3 or 4 drops like that, and I'm gonna just press it in. Now my final step, I'm gonna go in with this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I've spoken about this on my channel several times. I love this just for the simple fact that this puts a lot of hydration back into your skin, but you don't wake up feeling extra greasy or shiny. I have oily skin, and sometimes when I use moisturizers at night, it gives me that greasy feeling and greasy look in the morning, and this hasn't done that. So this has been one of my favorite sleeping masks for the last couple months. Highly, highly, highly recommend this. And this is a nice size, and you get a decent amount of product in it. So I just like to go in like that. And make sure you get your neck. Get your neck. And then I'll put whatever's left over on my hands. And the final step, I'm going to go in with this lip oil from Ulta Beauty. This is the Ulta lip, what is this called? Juice Infused Lip Oil. This is not one of my favorites. I typically would use a Summer Friday's lip balm, but I forgot that at home, so this just will have to do the job for right now. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. Y'all let me know if you tried out any of these products. Leave that below in the comment section. Or if you have some products that you think I would like, leave that below as well. And most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.